We'll see which laundry detergent does the best job at removing 6 different common stains. Then we'll see which one does the best job at removing awful smells like this gear oil. At a price of only $4 for 22 ounces or 18 cents per ounce, the least expensive brand we'll be testing is made by Shout. At a price of only $3 for 16 ounces or 19 cents per ounce is this spray and wash brand. They claim it gets the job done the first time. At a price of $5 for 22 ounces or 23 cents per ounce is this Tide Rescue. Works on laundry as well as carpet and upholstery. At a price of $6 for 17 ounces or 35 cents per ounce is the Pink Stuff. At a price of $9 for 22 ounces or 41 cents per ounce is this Zout brand. Price of $10 for 24 ounces or 42 cents per ounce is this Draft. At a price of $7 for 12 ounces or 58 cents per ounce is this OxyClean. They claim you can spray now and wash up to 7 days later. At a price of $16 for 27 ounces or 59 cents per ounce is this Attitude brand. It's made from powerful ingredients sourced from plants and minerals. At a price of $5 for 6 ounces or 81 cents per ounce is this OxyClean Gel Stick. They claim it can tackle your stubborn and dried-in laundry stain. Price of $6 for 4 ounces or $1.50 per ounce is this Stain Rescue. So the price of $6 for 4 ounces or $1.50 per ounce is this Miss Mouse Stain Treater. At a price of $20 for 12 ounces or $1.67 per ounce is this Dissolve It brand. They claim it can remove stains even after dryer.